Okay guys, so this stone, it's a white marble limestone stone. What I'm going to show you is we're not going to add water today. We're just going to spray and leave it. So this, over time, it's going to look bad at first, but over the coming weeks and months, the biological solution will work to kill off all this lichen and mold and crud in here, and bring it back to that natural white color. So all we do is get it pretty wet. Usually you can use a backpack sprayer or a bigger spray. My backpack sprayer is back at the shop, so just work it in all over the entire surface. Make sure you get into the letters real good. That's usually where a lot of that stuff gets. You can see the red start coming. That's it, taking out all them lichens and everything. You can actually start to see it starting to turn white already. But don't worry, that red color will go away in time. Now, if it rains within 6 hours of applying this, then you'll have to reapply it after it's dried out after the rain. So as you can see, there's a large amount of moss on this side that it's just not going to take off on its own. So we're going to go ahead and scrape it while it's wet. Look at this floral pattern. I don't know if you can see it. I'll bring the camera around shortly. So you can see this is all covered in that thick moss. You can see this nice floral pattern really starting to come out. I may hit this with the brush. Just to show. Get all that bigger debris off so the chemical can actually get in there and work. So I would rinse this with a water bottle since this is just a spray and leave treatment today. I'm not going to, but look how white that's getting. See how it's working by getting everything peeled off and removed. And like I said, don't worry, all this streaking, it will go away. I really like to get the lettering really good so it gets nice. So yeah, we'll let that sit for a while, a few weeks, maybe a couple months, to let it naturally work. So a couple weeks I'll come back and take a photo for y'all, so be sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. It's Cook Cemetery Services, Cook and Son Cemetery Services on Facebook. Also check out our website. We got some cool merch that'll help us keep this going and keep doing these stones. So thank y'all.